Hi, I'm Wendy Cosby, and I'm here to talk about financial education. I'm Vice President and Business Banking Officer. I have been with the bank now for 10 years,
Wow.
working with business clients.
So what does that entail, working with business clients?
The end result is to see how we can make money for the business, save money for the business, save time, or even add convenience.
Absolutely, I think that's fantastic. And keep in mind, I have no idea how business banking works. I do not own a business. So I'm taking shots in the dark here. So if I say something wrong, please correct me.
No, you're fine.
If there's someone who wants to start a business, I think talking to a professional is definitely an important first step. I know a lot of people really want to come in with some sort of basic understanding. Is there anything you feel like is helpful for a first-time business owner to come, the information for them to come in with?
You know, when I think about the commercial lending piece, a lot of times a business owner might not know exactly how much they need to borrow. So I think that it's really good for a business owner to team up with a program here in our local community and have a business plan put together. Business plan is going to help you kind of understand the market you're in and understand, the customers you should target and, what your annual revenue projections should look like.
Yeah.
That are realistic, of course.
Right. How do people know what the best loan for them and for their business is?
I think it depends on the business and what the need is. At Republic Bank, we offer different types of loans, from commercial real estate loans to term loans for short-term lending. We also offer lines of credit, should there be a need for working capital. And with each business, those types of products are used differently.
Right.
So, just knowing what exactly you need the funds for, which goes back to the business plan,
right,
that will help with that conversation with your loan officer.
Are there some key differences that you feel people should know coming in?
I would say with a term loan, for example, those are great for larger purchases. You're looking to pay off the debt over the course of some time. Whereas when we think about a line of credit, those are specifically for, any shortfalls in capital. You've
got that coverage.
Yes, and you can pay that line of credit back down to zero. Absolutely. And it allows it to revolve.
Yeah.
You don't ever want to keep debt on it.
Right, right. So I know starting a business can feel like a huge investment, and some people, especially, younger people just getting started in their careers, they may not have that, nest egg is the best word that I have for it. They may not have that investment underneath them, just in cash. Is there a loan or something that, you offer to help people get started?
For that new business owner, it's always a challenge to get access to capital just because there's no historic data to base your underwriting on.
Yeah.
So I think that is where it is important for business owners to know what they have as assets that can serve as collateral to help get the bank comfortable with a new company that is seeking capital.
Is there anything that you want maybe somebody new to business, or maybe they're just young, or they're just getting started in their journey? Is there something specific that maybe you wish someone had told you, or just you think that they should know that would be helpful?
I think that you have a lot of business owners who come up with awesome concepts and super beneficial to many individuals out in the market. But I think what is certainly helpful is to understand how to continue to make money for that business, how to reduce expenses, and create a strong bottom line. So cash flow, cash flow, cash flow. How can I make this cash flow in such a way where I am profitable? And I think that goes back to having a plan in place, whether it's a well put together business plan that has projections tied to it, that is going to give that visual on, okay, this is what I need to be focused on to make money, save time at convenience.
Yeah, I think there are a lot of people who go into entrepreneurship with the knowledge that, well, there's this product or service that I can provide, well, but beyond that, there's sort of this gap in knowledge of like, how do I actually run a business instead of just creating this product? So having that plan in place closes that gap a lot.
Yeah, I agree. Totally agree.